This is Drydex Spackling interior or exterior 1 pint. So this is a pretty big bottle, so usually you don't need the can like this. I think the smaller can is good for DIY or just home repair. So what it can do, usually if you cover the walls dent or holes or any kind of wall repair. So let's open it. So usually you take a little and then you smooth it onto the wall. So after it's on the wall, it's still a little bit pink. So when it's totally dry, it will be like white. So you know exactly when it's dry. So after it's dry, you just use sandpaper to smooth the wall. It always gives you the best result. But one thing you need to remember that you just cannot put this too much. If you put it too much, it's really hard to sanding. So when it's dry, it's going to be a little bit shrink. It's not going to be shrink a lot, but a little bit. So when you apply it, always apply a little bit more above what you need. So when it's dry, it shrink a little bit. So after sanding, smooth. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.